Cameron Hill. This is my bike check. Start off with a frame. I ride a Subrosa Thunder Beast in 20.8. It's a beast. Damn right. Moving up front end, I ride a Primo N4FL hub in white, laced to a Primo VS rim with a Sunday street sweeper tire. Colt.
Are those Colt?
Colt Sect V3 forks. God. Shadow headset. Primos. Annihilator V3 stem. Fit scumbag bars. E-claw. Filter grips. We'll go into my brakes. Mission left-handed brake lever. Odyssey G3 upper cable. Snafu upper plate. Snafu Mobis detangler. Snafu Astroglide. Lower cable, Rant brakes, and we'll go to my seat. I have a Kink Bad timing seat with a Kink pivotal seat post. We'll start with the cranks. I've got a E-Claw AK guard sprocket with E-Claw tibia cranks in 165s and 25 tooth sprocket. Rant Hella PC pedals, because why not?
You want to tell us about your chain?
Yeah, my chain's a Shadow Invisalite chain. It's so amazing that it's not even there. It's pretty dialed. I have a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor Free Coaster hub in white, laced to a Stolen Rampage rim in polished, with another street sweeper tire. My pegs, I have in the back I have a Kink street peg, and in the front I have a Verde peg, and that's my bike.
Hi, I'm Stephen Harley. This is my bike check.
We knew that already.
Start with the bars. I got the Fit Tom Dugan signature bars. I got Colt Vans grips with the Salt AMV2 stem. I got a Fit top cap with the Primo headset. We got the Fit Fly forks. We got the Stranger ballast front hub, laced up to the Stolen Rampage rim with a Fit Bike Co tire with a Kink Kink street peg on the freaking front. We got a Fit S3 frame with the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks attached to it with a Mission sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy chain. Odyssey Tom Dugan signature pedals. Got the Primo Free Mix up in the back, laced up to the Stolen Rampage rim with the frickin' Odyssey something tire. Odyssey Nighthawk? Odyssey something. Yeah. With the jet fuel and black spokes, we got the Kink Bad timing seat with the Fit seat post.
Hey, I have one of those.
And a Kink street peg in the back. Carbon fiber. Special, baby. And that's my bike check.